Hi, this is the Vivo T1 Pro 5G and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first the control panel and here you'll see all of the available options. You could here add some more options or remove some of them or just to change the positions of the icons here. So to do that, click to the edit icon, and for example to add the screencast to your panel you should hold the icon and drag it to the subsection. By the same way, to remove some of the icons from here, hold and drag it, and to save to change the positions of the icons on the panel you should by the same way hold it and drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. To reset all of the changes, click on the right upper corner to these three dots and tap to reset, or if you want to save the changes, click to go back, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.